Have you ever felt so ashamed that you just wanted to hide? There's a powerful story in the Bible about this. King David sent his generals to attend a funeral as a gesture of peace. But instead of being welcomed, they were publicly humiliated. Their beards were shaved off and their clothes were cut, exposing them to immense shame. They felt disgraced and couldn't even face coming home. When David heard what happened, he didn't get angry at them. He showed compassion. He told them, "Go to Jericho and stay there until your beards have grown back." He gave them a place to recover, away from judging eyes. While they were healing, David dealt with the enemies who had shamed them. This story shows us God's heart. When we mess up or feel deep shame, He doesn't cast us out. He provides at Jericho a place of grace to heal and be restored. He invites you to come to Him, find forgiveness, and let Him fight for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.